In today's video, I am going to teach you how to allow Hootsuite integration for social media. If you are using Hootsuite to manage your social presence, connecting your social accounts is what enables scheduling posts, viewing messages, and organizing your workflow in one place. The process is straightforward, and you just need to follow a few screens in order. First, you will click Settings. This is usually found in the main navigation area of your Hootsuite dashboard. Take a moment to look for the gear icon or the word Settings. Then click it once. This step matters because it is where Hootsuite gathers and manages the connections for your workspace. Next, you will click Social Accounts and Teams. After you open Settings, you should see several sections related to account preferences and integrations. Select Social Accounts and Teams so that you land on the area specifically meant for linking social profiles and managing access. This helps you avoid menus that control something different, such as billing or general preferences. Then you will click Social Accounts. In that Social Accounts and Teams area, there is typically a subsection or a tab for social accounts. Click it to view the list of accounts that are currently connected, if any. This is the part of the dashboard where you will add a brand new connection to a social network. After that, you will click Add a Social Account. You may see a button that says Add, Connect, or Add a Social Account. Click the option that starts the setup flow. At this point, Hootsuite will guide you through choosing the network and granting the right permissions, so you should be ready to review the prompts carefully. Now you will select the social network you want to connect. On the screen that appears, there should be a list of available platforms. Choose the network that matches the account you want to integrate. For example, if you manage a specific profile on a particular platform, select that platform so the connection targets the correct type of social account. Make sure the platform you choose is the one you actually want to use with Hootsuite. Once you have selected the social network, you will follow the prompts to allow Hootsuite access. This portion usually includes authorization screens, where you confirm you want Hootsuite to access the account. Read what the prompts are asking for, and then proceed when you are ready. The goal here is to grant permission for Hootsuite to perform the actions associated with social management, such as reading data and publishing content, depending on what is offered for that network. As you go through the prompts, you may be asked to confirm authorization within the platform you are connecting. Keep an eye on the confirmation message or the final success screen. When the process completes correctly, Hootsuite should update and show that the account has been connected. If you do not see the account appear, simply go back through the steps and confirm that you completed every authorization prompt. Finally, after the integration is allowed and the connection is established, you can close out of the setup flow and return to your social accounts area. At this stage, you should be able to proceed with normal Hootsuite tasks like organizing streams or scheduling posts because the connection is now active. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.